Welcome to another video tutorial by the group consisting of Andrea Coy, Keegan Constantine, Trisha Ramuta, and Terran Ramirez. This tutorial is on assignment 1B. The title of the assignment is Understanding and Creating an Access Project. When I go through the tutorial, it seems as though what it's asking us to do is to create a database that will be stored in SQL Server, or create a SQL Server database from the front-end Microsoft Access. It took a while for me to understand it, unfortunately, but I think that's what it's basically asking you to do. And not only that, after you create a new database, you need to link it with existing data or data from an existing database. So I think I understand it. I think it should work out nicely. I already have Microsoft SQL Server 2005 up and running, connected and everything. So let me open up Office Access. Right, so what I'm supposed to do is to create a database. I was looking to see something is stored here. I don't know. Okay, cool, should not be here. So I'm going to create a database. I'm going to call it assignment 1B. Right, assignment 1B. Create. Select no to create a new SQL Server database, and it's no we have to select. I'm going to create. Cool. So this is the name of the server that I'm connecting to. This is the name of the database that I want to create. Next and finish. So right, assignment 1B project, assignment 1B SQL. I was wondering why it has access to 2002 to 2003 file format here. I was wondering about that, but that's another thing for another time. Let's look in SQL Server to see if the database was created. Maybe hit refresh just to make sure. And there it is, assignment 1B. At the moment, you will see that there are no tables, only system tables, right? But no tables here. I'm going to try and change that in a while. When I link some databases to it, you would see. I'm actually going to show you. I'm trying to link this database to it, client server database, a database I created with some basic information. It has one table called stud info table. If I open it up, you would see some of the contents. So this is the information I'm trying to link, or this is the table I'm going to try to link to the new database we just created, assignment 1B SQL. And in addition to that, I'm also going to try to link Northwind, that database, to I'll link a report or something, so in order to show if you understand the concepts and everything. So let me get back to Access. So what you got to do, hit external data, more ODBC database, which has import or link to an ODBC database such as a SQL Server. That's exactly what I'm trying to do, link to that database. So okay, I'm gonna hit machine data source. I'm gonna hit new. When I hit new, I'm gonna set system data source. Then I'm gonna hit next. I'm gonna look for SQL Server. Next again, that's looking good. The server again is what we have up and running. It's Anson, but I have to put in the SQL Server instance, which is SQL Express. What I'm gonna call this. What do you want to use to refer to the data source? This data source would be, okay, description first. Client server to assignment 1B. What's the name of this? It's basically a mixture. I'll call it client assignment. And join the names. Shucks. Okay, that's next. Windows NT authentication, connected SQL Server, change the default database. Yes, but I want to use master. I want to use client server actually. So the same data I showed you, the table with our names and basic information, I want to use that. Finish. Test data source. That's good to see. Microsoft SQL Server ODBC driver version. Running connectivity test. Attempting connection established, verifying options, settings, disconnecting from the server. Test completed successfully. That's what we want to see. So I'm clicked on client server, we see description, we see type and everything. And now we're gonna hit OK. Right, so which table from all of this information, what information basically Access is asking me what objects it should import, and I want to simply import stud info table. That's the table we just showed you a while ago. Let me see what's happening here. All objects were imported successfully. Click close. I click close. We're going to see this table here, and I open it up. That's the contents you want to see. So very good. I have a table now. To prove it also, I'm going back to SQL Server. I'm going to click on the server. I'm going to hit refresh. Run back down to databases, assignment 1B, tables, and here we have it. We have the same stud info table, which is the same info from client server. Okay, right here, and right here. So that's one of the things I wanted to show. The other thing I got to show you guys, linking the information, is I hit import. I want to import Access database. Can I get from here too? Let me see. I think some more. Oh, interesting. Look at that. I didn't know that was a new. I didn't realize that. Oh, right there. It's a shortcut right there. Cool. I'll make sure. So I'm going to browse to the database that I want to get, which is Northwind. There's a lot of information in it, by the way. Northwind. Recognize. Oh, I can't use that format. My bad. My apologies. My apologies. But didn't I use that earlier? That same one? That's not. Let me check on something here. Okay, cool. I know why I didn't come up. What happened was I was playing around with 2010 Access and 2007, and I kind of saved the 2010. Is that it? Whatever, that's another matter. Forget that. It's not important. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to import a report, because I imported a table, right? So you have either way table is going to look like. But I can import a form, macro, modules. But I want to import a report, because in the tutorial here, they imported a report from the same Northwind database. This was an older database though, but this is 2003 Access. So the report they imported, what was it? Let's now report product sales for 1997 specific. Connect us a table. That's another report. To open the table, and then it generated a report. Excuse me. It's a view. It's a view they imported. That's the table and the report. I think it's gonna come up as it's under the heading reports. I think it's gonna come up as product sales, total revenue, product sales by category. What I'm gonna try and do, I'm gonna try and customer address, monthly sales, and okay, cool. It's gonna save. I'm also gonna do some other information. Let's keep a couple of that stuff well. Make sure everything's looking nice. Products. So I have all those things selected, all the different reports and tables. I try to pull a lot of stuff together, so you should see everything down here. All access objects. So we have forms, we have reports, we have modules. Let me open the products table from the Northwind database. Right, we have customer details, the record, source, customers, extended, specified on this form report that must exist. The name of the record source may be misspelled or whatever. In the formal report design, we display the property sheet by clicking the properties box. So I can get invalid if the invalid form name is a macro, whatever. I'm not gonna. So it did open up. What am I gonna hit up my head with this? The objective was to show we could have created a new database and link existing database information to it, and that's what we did. So I'm not gonna hit up my head with those things right now. The same thing for all of this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What are the errors of this? That's unfortunate. I can see something. Whoa, why did it open up like this? Okay, so I didn't really get what I want out of this in terms of well, I get a table. I think I get one table. I wanted the reports to open up like how I wanted it to be, but let me see in SQL Server what I'm gonna see here. Let me go back and refresh the database, or the server I should say. Databases, assignment 1B, views. If you need anything under views. Table. So when you have products and I have study info table. Well, table. I have all the contents here. So we did achieve the objective of linking existing tables from existing databases to a new database. So what's going to happen now is that when I click save, I'll probably delete all this, but whatever. So that's it there. Thank you for watching, and let me save this. Let us say the video be saved, so that's the important thing. So thanks for watching. Take care.